Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you without all the overwhelm. If you've ever hesitated to try out new content on Instagram because you weren't sure how your followers would react, today's Tech News Tuesday is for you. Instagram just rolled out Trial Reels, a new feature that lets you test content without the stress.
That's right, Donna. Instagram created Trial Reels specifically so you can experiment with new ideas without worrying about your current followers' reactions.
Yes, here's how it works. A trial reel lets you share your video content with non-followers first. So if you're trying a new format, topic, or creative direction, you can see how it performs and resonates before your regular audience sees it. If the reel does well, you can decide to share it with your existing followers as well.
Your followers won't see the trial reel unless you decide to share it. It stays separate from your main feed and profile, so it's perfect for testing out content like behind-the-scenes clips, customer stories, or new service highlights.
This takes away the guesswork and helps you understand what content really resonates. You can be more strategic knowing what grabs attention before you push it out to your main feed and followers.
Only show content to non-followers? The big bonus here is that this is also a way to reach new followers without running ads.
That's right. Remember, consistently sharing valuable content helps build trust with your ideal customers. And Trial Reels is a smart tool to help you test creative and expand your reach without compromising your established brand.
So your action items this week? What are a couple of new video content ideas you can try? Create, publish them as trial reels. See what resonates and then share with your followers.
You've got this, and we're here to help if you have questions or need guidance along the way.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find the links and more resources at delosinc.com/episode 393. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.